Just after dropping the new ChatGPT agent, Sam Altman is already comparing it to AGI. But the thing is, agents that can take action aren't new. Other companies like Manus AI have had them for months. So is this a real breakthrough? And is it superior to Manus AI? The main difference with the ChatGPT agent is that it's a unified agentic system, meaning it can actually do stuff instead of just talking by shifting between reasoning and action. Combining the power of LLMs and the agentic system, it first takes information from your request and its surroundings, then plans out the next steps, executes the commands, and learns from memory and your feedback. Whenever you ask it to do something, it breaks everything down into steps, like the finding a location on Google Maps. Every route is broken down into a direction and distance, and in this instance, the goal is broken up into sub-goals. It decides which tool or browser is needed for accomplishing a sub-goal and finishes the given task by completing all the steps. This prompt chaining is how it manages to complete complex requests. After that, it'll collect information and feedback to improve on future tasks. The virtual computer it owns is the brain. That's where it can preserve context and memory and shift between tasks without losing progress. For short-term memory, everything's held in the LLM's context window. For more long-term memory, it retains the things it's learned in vector databases. So if it does a task similar to the past, it searches for its notes in this database. But even if you're asking it to do a bunch of complex tasks, you can always ask it to stop or change. It's an actual assistant that listens to your clarifications instead of some laboring robot that might go haywire. But even though its focus is on action, that doesn't mean the thinking inversely downgrades. From benchmarks alone, the model scored a new record of 41.6% on humanity's last exam, surpassing the previous models by a landslide. But while everyone's reasonably hyping ChatGPT agent up, let's turn our attention to a similar AI model, Manus. Its capabilities are similar to the types of tasks ChatGPT agent handles. It also splits tasks the same way. But instead of relying on a single LLM, it controls a group of sub-agents and tasking to do certain specialized things appropriate for that agent. But the reality is that ChatGPT agent crushes Manus so hard, it's not even a competition. Obviously, the benchmark results already showcase ChatGPT agent's intellectual superiority. But besides that, ChatGPT agent has an edge of having OpenAI's integration and optimization when connecting to external sources and applications, making the connection seamless, while Manus just has API access. Manus also prioritizes timely correction, while ChatGPT agent goes into detail about user control and safety. It's very strict with any sort of privacy control, providing supervision and actively refusing anything too personal or sensitive like banking information, so Sam Altman doesn't try to reallocate your life savings into his next world-changing project. So really, it's no contest. ChatGPT agent is the smarter and more trustworthy model you can rely on and is in fact worth the hype.